Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Probably had to put my hat back on. See all those wonderful lights down there coming down the runway? Well, you guessed it. That's Draco. With all the lights are on. It's early morning, not quite, just a hair after 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm just doing a range test on Draco. And wanted to do a video. Huh. My rear wheel's not. Hold on, we're gonna turn my tail wheel. I guess it's fine. Wasn't turning there. Seems to be okay now. Okay, well anyways, wind is off from that direction. Mosquitoes are horrible, but this is Florida. Okay, let's do our direction test. We got right, we got left, we got up, we got down, we got right, we got left, and
takeoff flaps, landing flaps, flaps up.
And flaps are working, so here we go. Man, love them lights. Oh boy, does that make a difference. That sure does.
Landing flaps, time remaining 4 minutes.
Yeah, that sure makes a difference. Oh man, love them lights. They're all on. Every one of them are on. You have to remember now, when you are doing low light flying, that you're at a disadvantage. You really are. You may not think you are, but you are. Boy, that's a good shot of that trailing light there. Boy, she's a floater.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Brakes off.
Yeah, don't do that.
Landing flaps.
Oh man. Oh boy. It's like a spaceship coming in. Oh man, is that cool? That is so cool. So very cool.
Flaps up.
Oh, I could even see into the cockpit just now, and the lights in the cockpit. That is so very cool. All right, there's full speed for Draco.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
She is a touch and go machine, that's for sure. Really nice knife edge there. All right. Man, what a great flying plane.
Landing flaps.
Oh boy.
Flaps up. Time remaining 1 minute. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Like I said, she's a touch and go machine, that's for sure.
Landing flaps. 30 seconds.
Oh boy. Is that not too cool?
Flaps up.
All right, folks. Well, there you go. That is an early morning low light flight. What do you want to hear?
Motor on.
Motor off with Draco. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Oh, that was fun. That was fun. You know what? Let's go ahead and drive her on around. Folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.